Namaskara, welcome back to IndLangs, and we are in Read Write Kannada series, and in that we are discussing kaaguNita. And in this particular video, we shall learn how to write the fourth letter of the Ch family, that is big Ch. Okay, so let us write that. Let's start now. So the first one is J. So you know now how to write J in Kannada. So this is how we write J. Next is Jha. So always remember, whenever you have an extension like this, then for Akara, it is not, see what I have explained earlier, if this is the box for Akara, so combo will come down. So here I have mentioned it as a direct combo. But whenever you have a letter and that letter has an extension like this, whether it is this extension will come one in Ch and another one in Ma and another one in Ya, if you remember. Okay. So whenever you have an extension like this, then Akara is applied on this extension. It is applied on this particular extension, not on the combo. So it will not come like this. Okay. So this you have to remember. So going by this pattern, our Jha, Akara means J plus A, Jha. So this is my Jha, J basically, and then for Jha it will become like this. So this is my Jha. Next G, it is as same as the any other letter. So you have to apply it on the main part of the letter. So this is G. Okay. And next G will be, you have to replace the same thing, repeat the same thing, not replace, sorry. So repeat the same thing and then write a Dirgha. So G and G. Next is Ju, a bit confusing because already you have a 2 extension here. So you have to add one more extension. So this is my J. Okay. So this is my entire main letter. For this I have to add a small tail. So it will become Ju. So don't get confused and add this line here. So you have to add this line here itself. Okay. So this is Ju. Now you can figure it out how we will write the big Ju. So same thing, whatever is your main letter, that will remain same. And you have to add this extension, Ju. Okay. Then we have Jru. So Jru is the same repetition of first J, same repetition. This J you have to write here, and then write a Rukara. Then we have J. So for J, so we know that the combo will take this form. This is my J. And big J, you know already how to write. So J as well as Dirgha. I have to repeat the same thing and write here. See, as I am repeating again and again, once you write J, no, whether here it is J, in all the other consonants also, this Akara, the box plus A format, whatever you get, which is equal to like this format you get, no, this will, the base structure, this particular structure will repeat for 5 times. J, J, and then for Jai also, the base structure will remain as it is. So how do we write Jai? So I'll go here, I'll write here. So same thing I'll repeat. First I'll repeat the base structure will be repeated and then Aikara, Jai. For Jo also, I'll repeat the same thing. Okay. So this is my Jo. So this part will remain same. Again for Jo, okay, this is my Jo. And then Jau we have. As I told earlier, whenever you have an extension, instead of combo, it will be applied here. So this is my Jau. Okay. And then last 2 letters, you know, all you need to do is you have to repeat the same J and then add a circle, big circle, that will become Cham, and then add a one more 2 circles, one below the other, it will become Jaha. So this is my Jam. This is my Jah. So always here the hint is, whenever you have an extension, for Akara is applied on the extension, not on the main combo. That is point number 1. And also Aukara is applied on the extension, not on the main part. So the same concept will repeat for Ma, where you have an extension, for Ya, where you have an extension to the main letter. So let us write the English representation. You know now how do we write JHA JHAA, JHI, JHEE, Jhee, JHU, Jhu, JHOO, Jhu, JHRU, Jhu, JHEJ, JH capital E, J, JHAI, Jai, JHO, Cho, JH capital O, Cho, JHO, Chow, and here can you write it? So I'll not write the below. So for jham, so what is the structure or the letter? I'll write here JHEAM, jham, and for jaha it will be JHEAH. So let me read it now. Jha, jha, jhi, jhi, jhu, jhu, jhru, jhe, jhe, jhai, jo, jo, jau, jam, ja. So this is the fourth letter in the ch family. And one more thing is the next letter ch, ch, j, j, nya is there, no? So that the fifth one I'm not going to write the kaaguNita series for that. Reason is very simple. Base structure of nya, the first letter, okay, ch, ch, j, j, nya. So the base letter or the main letter itself is we are using very less usage, and using that particular letter in the kaaguNita series is very rare case. So that is why we will not write the kaaguNita series for the fifth letter in the ch family, that is ch, ch, j, j, nya. If you remember, we have done the same for k, k, g, g, ng also, no? The fifth letter. Only for k and ch family, the fifth letter kaaguNita series I am not going to write. It doesn't mean that they do not have a kaaguNita series. Definitely they have a series like this, jha, jha, ji, ji, like this, but I'm not going to write here. Okay. So with this we have completed the ch family. In the next video onwards, we'll start with the t family kaaguNita series. Okay. So thank you. If you are interested to learn spoken Kannada, then I have written 3 books. Okay. So the first book is Spoken Kannada Level 1, where you will learn, it's a beginner level book, where you will learn the most frequently used, day-to-day used Kannada words. The second book is Spoken Kannada Level 2. It's an intermediary level book where you will learn how to frame sentences using the words that you have already learned in Spoken Kannada Level 1 book. Okay. And the third book is Spoken Kannada Level 3 and 4, which is an advanced level book where you will learn more about verbs, tenses, and then verb rules. So these are the 3 books that I have written for the Spoken Kannada. And if you are interested to learn Spoken Kannada, I am sure these 3 books will definitely help you to learn Spoken Kannada. Thank you.